Alright, well here's a teaser for my course. If you're on the edge and you think, should I buy the kit and get the course or not? What is it going to entail? What's it going to be like? Well, the course is going to go over making 6 pens using a kit very similar to this, using wood that is supplied with the kit. The kits that come for the class, there's 2 gold, 2 gunmetal, and 2 chrome. And then the outcome from the class are going to be pens that look like this. This is a gold one with a walnut natural finish, and this is a gunmetal pen with a walnut natural finish. They're a rollerball pen that the ink goes in and out like that. They're a little bit bigger pen. They feel substantial in your hand. They make really, really nice gifts. Your family and friends and coworkers and your boss will absolutely love them. It's a simple process, but there's a lot of steps, and as long as you do all the steps correctly, you too can make pens look just like this. So if you're on the edge, definitely sign up, definitely jump in. Of course, I think it's worth it. I think turning pens is super fun. So hopefully we'll see you inside.